What's good everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Gio here and I'm back again with another affordable video. This time I'm going to be showing you a lot of the heat that I've picked up in the sales that are currently going on, and I'm also going to give you a few tips and tricks on how to shop when you're shopping in the sales and stuff like that. But I'll leave that to the end and I'll show you the pieces first. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give the video a like. When you don't give the video a like, it just shows me that you're liking the content, and it also ranks my videos up higher, brings them more exposure. So you know, I'm not just saying it for nothing. Make sure you do give the video a like. Excuse me if I'm sounding a bit stuffy because the hay fever is just killing me. The pollen levels are mad high right now. And also you lot have caught me in the middle of my facial hair growth, so I'm looking hella rough, hella scruffy. But what am I meant to do? Wait until it grows out nice and neat to film a video? Fuck that. Ain't got time for that. I'm trying to stay active with these videos, so you don't have to see me in a mess. So yeah, enough chit chat, let's get into the video. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so the first piece I want to show you lot are these 6 shorts that I got from Zara. And the colour on these are just crazy. I love this beige kind of cream colour. And I just want to say, if any of you out there got chicken legs like me, yeah, them skinny lamppost legs, don't be afraid to wear shorts. It is what it is, fuck it, you know, be comfortable in your own body. It don't matter, it's not that deep. But yeah, I copped these because, you know, summer, we all need shorts, very essential, but mainly because of the fit. As you can see right now on screen, the fit is just really on point. They flow nice, they've got a loose kind of fit to them, and they won't be tight, hugging your legs, making your legs sweat a lot. And that's mainly why I bought these. They were only £20 and they are good quality. I believe the original price on these was £30 to £35. I could wear it with what I have on now. I could wear it with many other colours. I'm pretty sure you lot can use your head. And also the material's kind of airy, so I feel like the air can kind of like flow through these, so you know, keep your balls nice and cool, none of that sweaty balls. Also, because it is the sales, hopefully these pieces are still available. They might not be available. If not, I will try leave an alternative down below, and if I don't, just comment down below, ask me to find something similar to whatever piece it is, and I will try my best. That's the thing with these sales, man. I hate when I do a video and then go to put the links in and then they're sold out. It's happened like bare times right now. So go and cop them ASAP, pause the video, come back to it, like it, whatever. But yeah, on to the next piece. We have here this black bowling shirt with these nice white stripes on it. What's weird about this though, the collar is a much more thicker material, but the actual shirt itself is a nice lightweight type of material. But the collar, all the way past down the buttons, is like a more thicker type of material. You might be able to see it if I bring it a bit closer. You can see how this is much more thicker, and then this is much more thinner. So it still is overall a nice lightweight shirt. Black and white, so you know you can go with many different colours, white tee underneath. You could even wear this shirtless underneath, or just button it up as you've got that nice exposed area there to add a few chains on or whatever you want to do. As you can see from the fit, nice light piece, flowing really nicely, fits really well. This is a large. I usually go XL, but sometimes I do cop a large depending on if I want it a bit more fitted or if I want it a bit more large. Yeah, this was £20. I believe the original price was around 35. So for £20 you can't really go wrong. Zara, they're doing bits, man. They've always been doing bits. Well, not always, but lately they've been doing bits, especially for summer. Even this shirt's from Zara, but if you watch my other video on shirts, you already know that. Okay, next up I have a knitwear piece here, and this ain't generally for summer, but it could be if it's like one of them cool summer nights. And I have this piece on the coat hanger, but I just want to tell you lot, don't hang knitwear on hangers because it will ruin the shape. I'm just doing it for the sake of the video. But right here we have this sick cardigan here that I just love, just because of the colours are just so crazy. Yellow, blue, cream. This is a very loud piece. I actually saw this on the site before and I think it was around £55 or something like that, but I was thinking it's crazy loud and like I don't know if I'm going to wear it that much. But then it dropped to like £20, so I thought, you know what, let me just cop it. And I absolutely love this piece just because yellow is just, yeah, the colours just go so well together. Yellow, black, blue, white, or cream, it just goes so nice. And I feel like you can wear this with so many different colours, whether it's like all grey, all white, even black. And like I said, spring, summer, on them cool nights, cool nights, you could get away with this with a t-shirt underneath. But even when it comes to winter, you can get away with this. And I've mentioned this before in one of my videos, even though it's summer now, if you see winter pieces on sale, then just buy them and save them for later on when the next winter comes, because that's what I do. If I see some winter pieces right now for the low, I'm gonna cop them, store them until next winter, and then just come out with the heat. And vice versa, in winter, when the sales, you know, come for all the summer pieces they want to get rid of, cop them summer pieces and just stash them, man. Make a little vault, put them in a vault. But yeah, this is just a sick piece. As you can see from the fits really nice, really clean with just a white tee underneath. And I grabbed this in an XL just because I wanted it a bit more baggier. But yeah, this is such a sick piece. But like I said, don't be putting your knitwear on hangers. Fold them up nice and neat, not like me. And yeah, that's about it for this. Okay, so the next piece I have up here, exactly like I said with the previous cardigan, this is more for them cool summer nights, you know, when it's actually cool, because if you wear this in the sun, you will be getting too hot and you will be sweating. But this is just some type of grandad knitted vest. I actually found this on Amazon, you know, Amazon, and it was what, I think £20, and the quality is actually good. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually really good quality. The only thing is, this is an XL, and as you can see from the fit, it is very tight, so I would advise to size up once or maybe even twice. But I've wanted one of these for a while. I'm gonna wear this, as you can see me wearing it now, with nothing underneath. But if it was a bit bigger, I could put like a long sleeve white shirt underneath, something like that. But yeah, these are on Amazon Prime as well, so you can get a same day delivery or next day delivery. They've got multiple colours, so I'm gonna be buying a few of these. Probably rock it with like some trousers, tuck it in with a nice belt, some nice shoes, maybe some Chelsea boots. I've got a video coming on some Chelsea boots soon, like some affordable YSL alternative type of Chelsea boots. And yeah, because I'm kind of like, I go through this little stage every like 2 years when I want to just like fully transform my look, and that's like my clothes, my hair, everything. So that's what I'm kind of in the middle of. That's why I'm trying to grow my beard and shit. But you'll see more of that soon. But yeah, that's about it for the pieces. Oh yeah, let me show you one more piece, yeah? You lot are gonna laugh. So I thought I found some sick glasses online, some like Cartier alternative glasses, yeah? Ordered them. When they came, look how small they are. Like, is this a joke, bro? Is this actually a joke, bro? Like, I'm looking at some grandma, man. I'm not the cool type of grandad vibe, like this is grandma shit. What is this, bro? What actually is this? Yeah, they might look good on camera, they might look big. Basically, I got them on eBay, yeah? There was no picture of the glasses like on someone's face or on someone's head. And the photo, I'm gonna put it up on the screen if I can find it. The photo, they looked so big, innit? They didn't have measurements. There was only like £20, but still, it's just piss. I can return it and get my money back, but like, is there any point? The postage, all that, it's just long, man. I'm just gonna keep her, maybe, I don't know, maybe my nan or someone might. I just took an L with that one, so be careful. But now onto some tips about buying stuff on the sales. Now the big mistake I make is, if I see things that I'm not too sure about buying, but they're so cheap, I just end up buying it anyway. I wear it once and then I'm just left with it in my wardrobe, taking up space. Don't do that. Although pieces are cheap, and I know you can get tempted to buy stuff just because it's crazy cheap, but don't do it because you'll just waste space and it's just long, unless they're like £2 or something. Yeah, that's one of the biggest tips I could give you. When it comes to designer pieces and stuff like that, obviously this is the best time to get designer pieces because it's going to be like 70% off. You can find crazy steals, like mad steals. Don't check the actual designer sites. For example, if it's Gucci or Louis Vuitton or Prada, don't check the main actual websites because they tend to not really do the sales. But if you check like Farfetch, websites like that, I can link some down below if you want. Dover Street Market, all them type of websites, because they buy the stock off the designer stores. They can put the price as whatever they want. So you know, if they want to lower the price down, they can. So definitely go and check that out. But when it comes to like Zara, H&M sales like that, you want to sign up to the newsletters. you know, find out when the sales are coming so you can just be quick, because the stuff does go very quick. And also near towards the end of the sale period, they do like a last kind of sale reduction thing, like when they just really want to get rid of stuff. So make sure you go check that out. But yeah, that's about it for this video. I don't want to waffle on for the sake of it. If you have any questions regarding sales or anything like that, let me know, because I reply to everyone that comments on my video. Make sure to give the video a like if you enjoyed it. And yeah, I might get a few more pieces in the sales. If I do, I'll upload another sales video if you want that. But until the next video, take care of yourself, stay productive. See you later.